In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Facebook Marketplace account. If you're brand new, don't worry. I'll walk you through the basics so you can start browsing and listing with confidence. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and sign in. A new or existing account works the same here. What matters is that you're logged in and your app is up to date so all Marketplace features load correctly. From the home screen, look to the upper right and tap the three horizontal lines, often called the menu. On some phones, the menu might be at the bottom, but the icon looks the same. This opens the main navigation hub where you can access your profile, settings, and tools. Next, find Marketplace. You can tap Marketplace inside this menu, or if you see a small storefront icon on the top of your home screen, you can tap that instead. Both routes take you to the same place. The first time you open it, you may see a short introduction. Just continue to the main Marketplace feed where items are displayed. To buy items, start by browsing. At the upper right, tap the search bar to look for something specific, like a brand, model, or product name. You can also simply scroll the feed to see what's nearby and trending. When a listing catches your eye, open it to view photos, the description, the price, and the location. If you need more information, use the message button in the listing to contact the seller politely and ask clarifying questions before you decide. Keep communication inside Facebook for safety and avoid sharing personal details. If you want to sell something, switch to the selling section. From Marketplace, look for the selling tab at the top. This area is your workspace for creating and managing your listings. Now select item details to sell. Add clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles, write a straightforward title, and set a fair price. Choose the category that best fits your item and add a concise description that highlights key features, the condition, and any measurements or model numbers. Make sure the location is accurate so nearby buyers can find your listing easily. Before you publish, double-check everything for accuracy and grammar, and remove any personal information from photos like addresses or documents visible in the background. When you're satisfied, go ahead and post. After it's live, respond to messages promptly and professionally, and keep your updates inside Facebook. You can edit the listing, adjust the price, or mark it as sold when the item is no longer available. That's it. You've set up Facebook Marketplace for both buying and selling. Take a moment to explore, and you'll get comfortable quickly.